In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a pretty complicated function here, and we're trying to take the derivative, so we're going to choose logarithmic differentiation. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to cross out this f of x and make it a y, so that when I take the log of both sides, it's going to be the natural log of y here on the left. Now, at the same time I'm going to do this, I'm going to go ahead and use my laws of logarithms. I've got an x raised to the x power times the x minus 2 to the third power. So when I multiply there, that means I'm going to be, when I expand, I'm going to be adding. I have this quotient here, which means when I expand and I do the logs here, it's going to be a subtraction. So I'm going to have natural log of y on my left-hand side. Then I'm going to have natural log of the x raised to the x power. All right, like I said, here's a product, so when I expand, this becomes a plus. Then I'm going to have natural log of the x minus 2 to the third power. The quotient now comes into play, so I will have a minus, and then natural log of that x plus 1 to the second power. All right, now I'm not going to do anything to the left-hand side. Right-hand side, I'm just going to jump these exponents down in front. So we're going to have natural log of y equals x natural log of x. Bringing the 3 down, 3 natural log of x minus 2. Bringing that 2 down, 2 natural log of x plus 1. All right, now the reason we do this is because this derivative now is real easy. It'll be 2 times u prime over u. Same thing here, it'll be 3 times u prime over u. Now, right here, I do have a product, so we are going to have to do product rule right there. Same thing, natural log here of this y, we'll do a u prime over u, so y prime over y. All right, product rule here, x times derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, plus that natural log of x times the derivative of x, which would be times a 1, which I don't need to put in there. Okay, then I'm going to have 3 times u prime over u. Well, the derivative of that x minus 2 is a 1. On the bottom, then, the x minus 2. And then I'm going to have a minus, and then we'll have the 2 times derivative of that x plus 1 is just going to be a 1. And then on the bottom, x plus 1. All right, now in this step, we're going to clean up this expression and at the same time multiply both sides by y. So I'm going to multiply by y, so the y's cross out, and then I'll have the times y on this side as well. All right, now cleaning up then, I'm going to have a y prime. X times 1 over x is going to give me a 1, plus that natural log of x. I'm just going to put that 3 up there on top, so then I'm going to have a 3 over an x minus a 2. Putting that 2 up there on top, we'll have a 2 over an x plus 1. Okay, not going to try to do anything with that inside part. We're just going to leave it. All right, last step here would be to take y and substitute what it is. Y is equal to this expression here, which now everything will be in terms of x when I make that substitution. So y prime, writing all of this down, 1 plus natural log of x plus 3 over x minus 2. Minus 2 over the x plus 1. Substituting y in x raised to the x minus 2 to the third power, and then all over that x plus 1 to the second power. All right, so a pretty straightforward derivative once you get going here, but a really good example of how when you have a complicated expression, sometimes logarithmic differentiation will make it easier. All right, now obviously I'm not doing anything to simplify this farther. All right, but at this point, we definitely have an answer for y prime, and it is all in terms of x. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.